You don't need more willpower. You need a 12-second gap. 12 seconds. That's the window between when your brain gets triggered and when your habit kicks in automatically. It's 12 seconds. That's all the time you have, and it's all the time you need. I'm Ron Ovitt with Habit Hacks. Your brain has two systems at work when a craving hits. The sympathetic nervous system, that's the gas pedal. It fires up things, creates urgency, says you have to act right now. And then there's the parasympathetic nervous system. That's the brake. It calms things down, returns you to peace. Here's the thing. You can't talk the brake into working. Words don't activate it. But one breath can. A slow, deep breath. 4 seconds in, 8 seconds out, activates your parasympathetic system. It literally tells your nervous system the emergency is over. Breathe in. And then breathe out. 4 seconds in, 8 seconds out. That's twice as long breathing out. The exhale is where the brakes come on. That one breath is your interrupt. That's how you break the pattern. You can break it. Next time the craving hits, before you do anything else, take one slow breath. 4 seconds in through your nose, 8 seconds out through your mouth. That's your pause button. Use it. Now the full Mind Skills breakdown is in the Interrupt the Pattern link that I'll have in the bio. Subscribe so you won't miss it.